Bro, what's up? Where you look at that, fam? What's going on? Brother, so Manchester United have me run. I look at me a mad smarty. And watch the game, brother, and man them have me pull out me here. Me here get so disheveled. Me have to, me have to pull it out. I will pull my wife and do it again, party. Why? Cause Manchester United have me a mad whole game, bro. Whole fucking game, fam. Yo, Garnacho, Ahmad, Ugarte, Maguire. So many open chances, fam. Yeah, the referee took one from us on the first half. Fine, okay. Butland give us back the first one because him say you deserve to score the first one, you didn't, and then call it back. So I give back the one there. Fine, okay. But we get so many chances, brother. So many chances, fam, and I don't know, fam. It was a better quality team, would I get smashed. Next week at Crystal Palace, we'll get fuck if we not play better, brother. It's just I follow my I don't even know. Yo, but fam. I don't know, fam. I thought about the game. It was crappy. First, we have a lot of possession at the football. Yes, we didn't do anything with it. We didn't make any penetrative passes into the back behind the back line. I think Leacher made one to Ahmad, who after he got the ball, all he had to do was relax a little bit because the guy was on the floor. He had a lot of time in the world, just settle and pick him spot, swing at it, dash away. It's just the calmness that we need to get from these man that we're not getting, bro. And that's what's killing us. That is exactly what is killing us, man. The calmness that we need from these man, we're not getting it, brother. We're definitely not getting it. And when them have me, I pull out my head as I'm hearing, but they have play me here all the time on 5 and say, yo, kick out the ball, Maguire, buck the ball out, Maguire. You make a little nudge, turn him into Harriet Maguire, brother. I thought Harry Maguire was back. And ready. But Harriet Maguire today, brother. Harriet Bumbuckland, boy, fam.
So, about the game, who do you think stand out to you in your eyes?
Would I think I stand out today? There were a few, fam. I'm not gonna lie. Toby Collier deserve a shout out. Toby Collier is mint. Yeah, very good. I'm going to say that if for the first time starting today, being the anchor of the midfield, it was good. And again, he's playing against Rangers, British team, should be familiar with the game, but he shouldn't be because he's young. He's very, very young. And he's like his first start in the team, anchoring the game, the midfield, and he was very good. I'm not gonna lie. He made a mistake in the first half, getting the ball away. But first of all, there's absolutely no way that man shall pass the ball to Collier just now. You should just give it to the right center, right midfielder, to right defender. You should never ever pass the ball to Collier right there. So it's all good. It's all good. I that midfield was good. Bruno Fernandes is playing in number 8. I want to see the manager push Mino further forward and make Bruno stay in the midfield. I like that because he has that spin, a turn, that crucial pass within the midfield that can set him up for the future moving forward. I like Mino further forward. Mino can turn, spin a man, make a pass, probably get a shot. Put Mino further forward, make Bruno play next to Ugarte next game. We'll see how that works. Well, aside from that, it's flat, bro. It was absolutely missed too much chances, bro. And that's what got me pulling up me here in the last part of the game because it got so nervous towards the end. Maguire fuck up, them score, and then oh my god, here we go again. Another mistake, another goal, and now we're gonna lose. And Bruno Fernandes came up with the winner. Big shout out to Martinez though. I'm not lying. What a blood clot pass, brother. What Bumbo club pass, fam. Beautiful. Listen, they said we're gonna make it.
No, we're fourth.
Not in the league, but we're still fourth. Yeah, so if we win the next game, draw next game, we'll definitely be in the top 8, which gives us skip us a game in the next round. I'm loving it, fam. I am loving it. So yeah, that's all it is, fam. Yeah, man. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.